In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Deku in Heroes Battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Deku, also known as the Green Hero, is going to be the first character to be ever developed in Heroes Battlegrounds, and it is free. And also the easiest to make combos and use in general. So it is kind of the default character for you to play if you are still being introduced to Heroes Battlegrounds. Immediately upon joining Heroes Battlegrounds, you will usually select Green Hero as you can see here. You will spawn in and now you can see your abilities at the bottom and your ultimate bar. So the Green Hero has great combo potential and a deadly ultimate when used correctly. This character can also be mastered to get the Mastered Green Hero. So if you click on this icon here, you will see your mastery progress, and also you can try switching to the mastered version by clicking on this icon here, but usually you will just get the notification that you still don't have Vigilant Deku, also known as the Mastered Green Hero unlocked. So, the pros and cons about Deku. First, you have good damage. The ultimate can deliver massive amounts of damage to both passive and aggressive players alike. It is very good for aggressive players, and the frontal dash attack, like this, has a noticeable lingering hitbox and a surprisingly large amount of range. This allows for one to easily get behind their opponent's blocks. It has an easy time performing combos on grounded players, and Detroit, which is one of the abilities here, has impact frames, allowing for combo breaks or just a tool against very aggressive players. The cons include two. The ultimate moves have very small hitboxes, and there are only 3 ultimate moves. I'm gonna go over all of the skills here really quick. So that was Manchester. If I use Delaware, this is how it looks like. It knocks the opponent back in this arcing move, and then if I use Texas, this is what it looks like, a bunch of punches into a final stronger one. And you will be able to play Deku as soon as you join Heroes Battlegrounds. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Deku in Heroes Battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.